Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to update your Amazon shipping address on the website. Start by opening Amazon in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, hover over Accounts and Lists at the top right. From the drop-down menu, click Your Addresses. This page shows all the shipping addresses saved to your Amazon account. To update an address, click the Edit button under the address you want to change. You can update the name, street address, city, state, zip code, and phone number. When you're done, click Save Changes. If you want to add a new address instead, click Add Address at the top. Fill out the form with your new details and save it. To make your new address the default for all orders, click Set as Default under the address you prefer. If you want to change the shipping address for an order you've already placed, go to Returns and Orders at the top. Find your order and click Change Shipping Address. This option only appears if the order hasn't shipped yet. And that's it. Your Amazon shipping address is now updated.